at Rhinox, we do buckets. Not those kinds of buckets, these kinds of buckets. And I went round asking the sales team which were their favourites and why. So what's your favourite bucket or attachment and why?
Good question.
I think my favourite attachment would be the rake grill bucket.
My favourite attachment is the Rhinox pallet forks.
That's a good question.
I would have to go with the deep dig bucket.
My favourite bucket and attachment would be the utility bucket with a Unitusk fitted.
I think my favourite bucket is the concrete pouring bucket.
I'm going to go with the deep dig bucket or the cable bucket.
These are perfect for lifting pallets of bricks.
You can use it for raking the ground, then riddling the stones out.
This is because I think it's probably the best looking concrete pouring bucket on the market. It also comes with a rounded chute, which is brilliant for directional pouring.
I love the way it brings efficiencies into any job you're doing, especially utility jobs.
I think a good operator probably could get that ready for seeding, probably if it's used well enough.
These are a very versatile attachment and are used across the UK by many of the national hire companies.
That's why I like it.
The reason for this, growing up with a dad who was in the construction industry, I did used to hear a lot about cable strikes and how buckets with teeth and things were dangerous for operators if they caught an electric cable, for example.
It's fantastically designed around innovation, so it prevents excessive remedial work.
So the fact that this bucket saves lives makes it my favourite.
It also comes with an adjustable gate, which is excellent for controlling the flow as well.
Cuts down the overall cost of reinstatement.
Minimises on costs.
These are often hired out for various applications.
A cracking little investment for any utilities or highways company.
Because I come from a lean manufacturing background.
So yeah, that's my favourite bucket or attachment.
So it seems like our deep dig bucket was one of the favourites. If you'd like to know any more about any of the products that were mentioned in this video, be sure to check out our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe.
Really good because it's got a chute, which helps with directional pouring.